Hi you guys, this is Antoinette from Creations PS91. I wanted to come on just for a few seconds. I am working up the Annie's Nesty Stash Baskets, and I wanted to just come on just for a little tip. When you are working these up, because you are working in the round, you are going to need a stitch marker. Because you're going to start here, and as you're counting, you're going to need to place that stitch marker on where you left off so you can start counting again. Counting your rows in a circle. And I am really loving this, you guys. I'm telling you, I am really adoring. The yarn is just so soft. It glides through my hands. I am really, really liking it, you guys. Okay, well, I will see you guys on the next video. I just wanted to come in and say hello. I hope you guys have a beautiful day today, or you had a beautiful day today if you're off work like me. But I just wanted to come on and let you know that I am working these up very nicely, and I can't wait to finish. Okay, you guys, I will talk to you soon. And remember, when you're working with your hands, you always have peace within your heart. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.